Hello and welcome to Business 360. I'm Shireen Bhan. The headlines we're tracking for you this evening. Asian markets trade weak on continued pessimism over rate hikes and fears of a recession. But Indian markets shrug off the worries to snap a two-day losing streak. The Sensex and the Nifty end nearly 1% higher. The rupee strengthens as crude prices slip sharply over the weekend. The union government clears its stance on online gaming even as the GST group of ministers submit divergent views, says cannot make any distinction between gambling and lottery activities. The GST Council clarifies that 4 parameters are needed to be fulfilled to classify a vehicle as an SUV with a cess of 22% over and above the 28% GST rate. The government weighs its options on the free food grain scheme, which has been extended multiple times since it was rolled out during the COVID lockdown in March 2020. Sources say the government is well placed with regards to grain stock for the scheme to be extended. However, a call on an extension will be taken at the highest political level. October telecom data spells more trouble for Vodafone Idea. The operator loses over 35 lakh subscribers, the spell continuing for the 19th month in a row. Jio sees a subscriber addition for the 7th month. It added over 14 lakh subscribers. The Finance Ministry tells Parliament that currently all policies on crypto assets and related ecosystems are being studied, but adds that any legislation on the subject can be effective only with significant international collaboration to prevent regulatory arbitrage. Elon Musk posts an informal poll on Twitter asking users if he should step down as the head of the microblogging site. Over 57% of 16 million respondents say he should. Meanwhile, 57% people who've taken a CNBC-TV18 poll on whether he will abide by the voting results say that he will. RSS-affiliated farmers' union stage a protest at Delhi's Ramleela Maidan, demand a guarantee on the minimum support price, among others. A note issued by the Bharatiya Kisan Sangh says the government will face trouble if it does not heed the farmers' demands in time. Celebrations across Argentina. Lionel Messi is finally a world champion. The Argentine team take an open-top bus tour in Doha after ending the country's 36-year wait for a World Cup. 32 million viewers tuned into Jio Cinema to watch the final clash in the FIFA World Cup 2022. Digital viewership overtakes TV for the first time. The tournament becomes the most watched global sporting event on digital that did not have India participating. Google CEO Sundar Pichai bats for a balanced open internet as the Indian government pushes for more regulations in the digital ecosystem. Says it's important for the government to create regulatory frameworks that help companies innovate on top of those local laws of the land. Well, let's head straight